Assalamu alaikum. I hope everybody is fine. In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can create a very powerful your custom GPT using the chat GPT, and it is a pro version. I'm going to create a very powerful coloring book maker GPT for your personal use. So without further ado, what you can create like this GPT, if you give a niche, just the niche. If you copy a niche from the Amazon, like if I copy this niche and I just paste very bottom of this search bar and hit enter, let's see what's happened. It will magically create the front cover and the back cover of your Amazon KDP books, and also the elements, the graphical elements used in the design, it will give you separately. And if you know a little bit of the Illustrator and other stuff, you can generate very good idea from here. And also you can use the assets. You can recreate them, or you can image trace them using your Adobe Illustrator or some other softwares, whatever you want. And you can use this entire design for your own personal KDP accounts. And I think it could be help you a lot if you are a beginner or you want to save some time using the GPTs. Look at that. Just I have give this GPT the niche only without any question, without any further instruction asked. He just make the coloring books cover here, and also the elements uses in this design it is making for us. And also, not this is the end. Look at that, it is generating another series, sorry, another version of this coloring book. I think it could be a little similar, but there are little difference between them if we notice them carefully. So this is the GPT I have built. It takes too many time because you can see there are a lot of conversation between me and the chat GPT. I created this GPT. There are too many conversation, you can say that. So I will give you this instructions and all the contents how you can make this kind of GPT for your purpose. And I am creating the GPT for now, so that you can implement this code. I will give you the link how you can get this code for creating this kind of GPT. So sorry, this GPT, not this kind. You can generate this GPT. Suppose let me see if I go for another one like uh, coloring book for kids age 4 to 8. Let's see what kind of coloring book it is showing. Big book for coloring. And let me select a niche. Okay, ABC coloring book for kids. Suppose I am taking this niche, and if I go here and just paste the niche, let's see what's happened. You can see it is already generating the images without asking you any further question. I just put the information in this GPT configuration section, so it will not ask you any question, it will just generate the image. And if you want any changes, you can say here. I think it can upgrade it for you. So I'm not skipping this part. Let's see what it is building in front of us. Okay, it's a ABC. Okay, it is just created the non-colorful version. So what we want, say it that we want colorful, sorry, I'm bad with spelling. It's a colorful covers, not black and white. This is very good. You can use it as an interior for your book, but it's also a very good amount of output it generated. Let's see what he make in the colorful section. And let's see another. Okay, dinosaur, color by numbers, coloring book for kid. Let's copy this one. Aha, you can see it is colored. And I think this is pretty good, not bad at all. And look at the elements it's generated. If I download them here, if you zoom it, you can see this is not very bad. If you using the Adobe Illustrator, you can easily extract this into a vector graphics. I think some area is not perfect. We know that the chatbot or the AI cannot make a very perfect edge nowadays, because I'm using the chat GPT. It is not 100% good for the designers, but it is generating good output for me. I can easily fix it, and we can make it a very uh, profitable, saleable product, I think. And if I paste the last niche, let's see what's happened. And for your purpose, you need ChatGPT Plus to make this GPT for your own device. In the free ChatGPT section, you cannot build this GPT. Okay, let's start how we can build this GPT from the beginning. So here I am using the ChatGPT Pro version here, and here you can see that GPT section, and here you can go for Explore GPT. After going Explore GPT, you have to go to Create. Okay, and Create, you have to give it a name like coloring book, my book expert. Again the spelling, and give it a description. You can give a short description to understand what this GPT is about. To create ideas for my KDP project. Here you can see that I give the titles and the description. It is appearing here, and this is the most important one, instruction. And I'm going to give you the instruction in the file, and let me copy the instruction from the GPT I am using right now. Here, see the result it gives for the coloring numbers. And also you can, if you go here and you copy this competitor's book cover, and if you paste it here, and I think you have nothing to say, just press enter. Let's see what happened. You can see it is already analyzing the image. and it is generating the image. Let it generate, and in the meantime, okay, there is a limit because I am using a lot of time this GPT, so we have to go for a rest, I think. Because the chat and the other things I have made it from the beginning, and I tested it too many times to make it at least workable. Like, I cannot say that it is 100% perfect, but you can get generate ideas, and I think it can help you a little bit up if you I realize it. And if I go for the edit GPT section, I am copying the exact instruction, all the instruction, and I am here going to paste it. And what you can do, you can add a logo here, and I am going to add color logo, something logo. I am going to use this. Okay, no problem. I'm going to save it in my computer, and here, see this plus icon, click here, upload photo. It will give you access to upload the logo for your board. You can check here, it will upload here, my coloring book expert. When it is upload done, little logo, you can indicate your GPT with this. And now conversation start. You can make a text for you. Tell me which niche I build the cover. Sorry for the spelling. You can see this is message is appearing here. This is just the formalities, nothing need to be exact here. And here, if you, in the knowledge section, if you upload few files that you like to create the GPT, you can upload it. So this structure, or this style, it will apply for creating your coloring book. So I'm not giving any instruction here. I am leaving the full control to the chat GPT, this GPT board, and I think we are done with the configure. And if I click on create, there are too many options. One is only for me, this GPT could be used by yourself only if you select on this, or anyone with the link. If you give this access, anyone with the GPT link can use your custom built GPT. And this is the store. I am not going to set up here. I am going to select the only me section and save it, so that it will be a very personal board for you. Only you can use this GPT in your local PC with the Gmail or the your account access. You can use this board. And if you click on the view GPT now, and you can cut it down, you can see this is the my coloring book expert. We just built it seconds ago. And now if I go for how to draw simple color by numbers, let's select this niche. If I click here, I don't know it is going to work because it is showing limits here. And if I paste the niche here, this is the new chat GPT board. You understand? Simple color by numbers, we just built in front of you. And if I hit enter here, let's see what's happened. Okay, it is a limit it is making now. So I will back in few uh, moments later. Let's see, check it is working or not. Okay, the limits now over. I come after about 1.5 hours later, and now it is fresh dashboard again. Sorry, this one we created. Let's make the cover now, inshallah. So if I click on this competitors cover, suppose, let's copy the image and go to my new GPT here and just hit enter after uploading this picture. Now it is done. I'm hitting enter now, and let's see. Okay, it is creating. I'm waiting for the results. It is now generating the image. Okay, now see the results. It is, I uploaded this one and I told him not to make the similar designs. I want a complete new one. So it is, I generated this one. And if I color by numbers for kid fun activity book for preschool, I copied these lines, and if I paste here these lines only, and let's see what it is make. Something is coming. uh, it make the same things, almost same, just little bit of changes. So let's check another one. Okay, number tracking workbook. I'm copying the only titles. Let's paste it here. So I think I have made some mistake. If I click here this arrow and go for the edit GPT, okay, let's see what it generates now, then we will change it. I'm going to my designer box, and here you can also do this. From this arrow, go to the edit GPT. After going there, you can see this is the instruction we can copy, and I will give this full system to you in a document file so that you can copy and paste to your custom GPT. This one, see, this is worked properly, and I think this is pretty cool. This is not bad. Sometimes it will generate good numbers, good output. Sometimes it will mismatch something. It is happens, we understand that. And here the recommended model, you can see no recommendation. User will create any model they prefer. This one we can select it 5.3 if you want. From here you can also do this, the edit GPT. And now if I go for model 5.3, it is selected by 5.3. In the test model we are making this update. You can make it, or you can change it to this. I'm keeping it 5.3, and You see, we make the bot successfully now. If you think this video is helpful for you and want more video like this, stay with me. And if you want this complete GPT's content to make for your own GPT, you can check the link I have added in the description and the first comment. So thanks for watching.